or girls? In our previous class, we have learned about water. You remember? We have learned that water has no color, no smell, no taste, and water is transparent. We have also learned that water takes the shapes of the container. Today we are going to learn something more about water. We are going to learn the 3 states of water. Are you ready for the experiment? Children, we are going to place few ice cubes in a glass. And let us see what happens to them after a while. Maybe after 5 minutes. Let's see the ice cube. Can you see the ice cube? No, we can only see the water. Where did the ice cube go? Now children, pay attention to what I do. I am going to take a water in this vessel. I'm going to fill this vessel and we are going to heat the water. Now children, what do you see? The water begins to boil. Now let us keep it boiling for some time and observe what happens. Now children, you can see the water is boiling. Now let's boil it for some more time. Children, what do you see? There is less water in the beaker. Why is there less water than before? Can you tell me? Now children, can you see the steam? And what can you see on the plate? The droplets of water have formed on it. Where does this droplets come from? So children, where does this droplets come from? When water becomes very cold, it freezes. That is, it turns into ice. When ice is left uncovered, it gets heat from the air around it. It melts. That is, it forms water. When water gets enough heat, it turns into vapor. The boiling water in the experiment turned into vapor. That is why the water in the beaker was reduced. As steam cools, it turns into water. The plate is held in the steam was cool. So, the steam that collected on its underside cooled down and droplets of water were formed. The water we use every day is its liquid state. Ice is its solid state. Vapor is the state of water in which it is a gas. Water vapor is the gaseous state of water. Now children, let's have some fun. Take a glass. Now just look at me carefully. I am going to wipe it dry inside out with a clean piece of cloth. Now I am going to place about 5 to 6 ice cube in the glass. Now children, what do you see? It is no surprise if we see the glass become wet on the inside. But you see that the outside of the glass has also become moist. Isn't that strange? What does this tell us? The air around the glass contains water vapor. When we put the ice cubes in the glass becomes cold. That makes the air around the glass cold too. The water vapor in the air also cools down and forms very tiny droplets of water, and this makes the glass moist. Now children, when mummy makes chapati, you are going to try this, but only when mummy or daddy is around you. Okay? Because this griddle is very hot, as mummy has made chapatis on it. What you are going to do is, you are going to sprinkle some water on it. Okay? Now I am going to do that for you. I am going to take a water and I am going to sprinkle on it. What can you see? The drops sprinkled on the griddle become round like beads and disappears as you watch. Jadoo, isn't it? I'm going to do it one more time because I do enjoy doing this. See? Round like beads and disappears. What does this tell us? The griddle is very hot. The heat from the griddle changes the water into water vapor all at once. Now children, our last experiment. We are going to take a glass of water and a salt. And what we are going to do is, we are going to add a pinch of salt in water. And now stir it. Now, what do you see? You do not see the salt in the water anymore. Now children, what are we going to do is, I'm going to take this water and I'm going to drink it. The water is salty. What does it tell us? The salt in the water has dissolved. The water was salty. It means that the salt is still there in the water, though we cannot see it. In other words, the salt has dissolved in the water. Some substances dissolve in water. So student, today we have learned that water has no color, smell or taste. Water is transparent. Water spreads on a flat surface. It flows down a slope. Water is found in 3 states: solid, liquid and gaseous state. And the last one, substances dissolve in water. Children, I hope you have understood the lesson and I hope you have enjoyed watching the experiment. Children, it's a request. You are not going to carry out any experiment at home. And if you want to do it, you will do it under the supervision of your parents. Let mama or dada helps you to do it. Thank you.